Ebusia media personality Serwaa Amihere, very beautiful, very fine lady. When you say last year, leak bi babontin and I just say make waves media and so ekwaye nsem bebre. Finally, Serwaa Amihere abetwetwe mu abeka nsem afasa leak na ebaye ne ho.
You know, I went through an extremely difficult year last year. I'm sure that everyone in this room is aware. Hey. And you know, it's as though I knew something was going to happen to me last year. Because when Auntie Bobia said I was going to say something, I wanted to tell you, because I know there are so many young people here, that you need to be extremely careful of the choices you make today.
Let's start ghtrends, and any first time I'll copy into our video. Make sure to subscribe and click on notification bell so that the latest updates about everything I can share. I'm a for share your Facebook as Let's Start ghtrends and your TikTok as Let's Start ghtrends. Also follow these pages. Any comments be answer I want to be teenager or comment section or edema. Now I like it. So edema. Now last year Serwaa Amihere you were why and being shame. And I who say leak be trend this suddenly media and so an yasem kito akra na ye Serwaa Amihere any abrantie bi eja yesi wo sika kakra nti ne din Henry Fitz minim se hu ya na che se hu se Serwaa ne ase wada ho na guy ne eda ne su bi ene media no so ebeye hu ehun se beye bebre ma guy no anu oni no eye involved no guy na no ni ye intimacy no Henry Fitz ne kwa be posti say Serwaa Amihere patch say no be blackmailing na no ojiji sika de ene wo the secret by say every day no money 2005 ye fene nyina media ne so ana manfo difference say say bi woji 2005 a day na bi wo so nya kobu be nsensem bebre Serwaa nkasa ye obianti ne no masem emphasize asem ho apart from say o release his statement na no church ni nsem no no ankasa face camera nka say ana maje microphone ni church mu da but ene de Serwaa Amihere aba o church mu say just say go through a lot of things just say you depressed what they said that mankophobia or play a very vital role wabra assembly by and sister Serwaa for the very first time waba abechurch sim ediatre.
Hassan, if I was going to say something, and she said no. So I knew in my mind that I wasn't going to say anything, but here I am. Since it's a day of Thanksgiving, I want to also use this opportunity, right, to thank Obobia. And you know, I was here last year, and last year, what I actually wanted to share, I didn't share it. I held back a lot of things that I wanted to say. And at the time, I thought it was for a reason. But today, I'm going to say it. You know, I went through an extremely difficult year last year. I'm sure that everyone in this room is aware. Hey. And you know, it's as though I knew something was going to happen to me last year. Because when Auntie Bobia said I was going to say something, I wanted to tell you, because I know there are so many young people here, that you need to be extremely careful of the choices you make today. I was going to tell you this last year, and I didn't say it. But then I'll be doing you a lot of disservice if I don't say it this year. So let me repeat it. That there are so many young ones here. You are mostly in the university. So please, be extremely careful and picky of the decisions you make while you're young. I'm not old, I'm still young, but I'm older than many of you here. And I am repeating again that be extremely careful about the decisions you make. Because 6, 7, 5, 3, 2 years later, they'll come back and bite you really hard in the face. And that's exactly what happened to me last year. And I didn't finish my Thanksgiving sermon, but this woman, you know, in my period of, I was depressed actually. I know many of you didn't see me cry, which will never happen. But she did. And I was in my house, that day. And then she came and she said, let's go and buy ice cream. And I wasn't talking to anyone. But she came to pick me up, took me to Osu. And I was trying to wear a cap, I remember. And she said, why? Why do you want to hide your face? Let's go. She bought me ice cream, a big cup of ice cream, and said, you today eat all the ice cream you can. And we took another long drive. We almost went to Ebri, but we never made it to Ebri. But she said she was going to take me for lunch the next day. And we both cancelled some way, somehow. But Auntie Bobia, thank you, because I never told you how grateful I was then for that ride. It did a lot of good for me. So thank you so much. And she has been an amazing person. I don't think that I need to say it much. You all here know how amazing she is, how supportive she is. She supports me and my sister. She's always advising me. So thank you. I love you very much. And I'm happy to see Sam George and his beautiful wife here. Sam, anytime I call him to come on my show, he comes. So Sam, thank you. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, thank you. And of course, Edem, I am very proud of you. Because of what I do, I have witnessed Edem rise, and I am really proud of you. And I know that you do great. I think I've said it to you before. You do amazing in Parliament. And to all of you, I was telling Auntie Bobia that I am so impressed with the way some of you came to stand up here and talk. I said it last year, and I'm saying it again, that I'm really, really happy. I'm on the Ignite platform, but some of the books I haven't read, and I'm so ashamed of myself. But this year, I promise you, I'll do better. I'll do better, and I will, in fact, facilitate some of the conversations. And last year I was supposed to come and, was it last year or 2 years ago? 2 years ago, I was supposed to come and give a talk on some topic. And guess what? It didn't happen because I was late. Last year I was late. Today too, I am late. So for me, my resolution, which is the eternal vision, is to stop being late. So next year, God willing, you see me here early enough to come and help arrange the chairs. Happy New Year to you all. Thank you so much.
And no, Serwaa Amihere, and I yakuti ne no masem no body a footso, ama a nipa da senibia was say a dear woyen in neno. Share ne sheni ye, a dear beer will choose the obeyeno. Shene make it the right choices because that chibino, a dear obeyen in ne ebeka can boom about be how. Future no intino oh yeah dear na wadu hu mienu na wahu de wa obesi e de aye no because sa ne ma we sa leak zebzem we de bia beba no ye ema no ene safa. This thing was involved with oba ne be ma oba de bia no ema no ane call receiving end ehuro ni ehum sensem ni nyina ema ne receiving ti said ye Serwaa Amihere kan no se we make decision and our choices be and na no wa hwe ni ye because that chi bi beba be how beba be do echi with many ad and semnity any updates be aba with the everybody your Facebook as list of GH women and what TikTok as list of GH let's say we follow these pages and the mama na comment be answer one what your comment section e de amame me ding e de na na asantoa makram.